Today we are inside an Isuzu NPR truck and we're gonna be installing a brand new 4K button boson dashcam. Hi, this is Glenn of Rainaxis and welcome to my YouTube channel. The process of installing it is the same and we're gonna be installing it on the sides, running the cable all the way through that underneath this dashboard and going inside this fuse box here on this side. We're gonna be testing this out and find out where we can insert the wirings of our dashcam. So like what we do every time we install a dashcam, we start by removing the uppermost part of the upholstery starting from this sun visor. And for today's video, our company's other IT manager is going to be helping us to install the dashcam. His name, by the way, is Hayne and he is from Myanmar. When installing a dashcam to an Isuzu NPR truck, you're going to be needing a few tools like a hex screwdriver and an open and close wrench, probably size 10 to 12, and some other prying tools to remove the upholstery. And here's the button boson 4K dashcam that we're gonna be installing on this truck. Okay, you cut.
Yes.
And then remove the skin. Huh?
Yeah.
Same with this two. This one, they
Okay.
only this is important. Huh?
Yes.
As to why we are removing these parts of this on the left side of this truck, is that because we're going to run the wirings underneath those covers. Basically, we're just gonna run the dashcam's wiring on that side. Right now, there is an existing wiring there, so Hayne is helping me to tie the dashcam wire together with the existing wire with an electrical tape. You don't miss anything.
Just slightly. This one need to only slight this one.
At this point, we are done running the wire on the top part and I'm putting back this upholstery while making sure that everything is back as they were before we remove them. Before we get back to the video, I'd like to thank the sponsor of today's video, Cloud9 Technology Limited. If you're running a retail store, supermarket, wholesale business, or any business that needs a reliable point-of-sale system here in Papua New Guinea, Cloud9 Technology is definitely a company worth checking out. They are one of the leading suppliers of complete POS solutions in PNG, offering POS machines, servers, inventory management software, barcode scanners, receipt printers, and much more. In fact, this isn't just a random sponsorship. At the company where I work, we've been using AirPOS and Airmin inventory management from Cloud9 Technology for years, and they've been a dependable part of our daily operations. Cloud9 Technology also has 3 branches in Port Moresby and has supplied solutions to well-known companies such as Leon Hardware, Tango, Sogo Motors, Tekin, JNZ Trading, Repan Trading Limited, KWS, EasyCall, and the National Sports Trust Limited. Whether you're looking for Mettler Toledo weighing scales, self-service POS kiosk, wholesale management software, or a complete retail solutions, chances are Cloud9 Technology has exactly what you need. If you'd like to learn more, visit cloud9technology.com or give them a call using contact numbers shown on your screen. Now let's go back to the video. Okay, at this point we are done with running the wires. And for the final installation, we are now putting in the camera, which is the important unit of this dashcam system. And that's it. We're just going to format the micro SD and everything is good to go. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.